Incremental greetings. Here's a new feature added in SuperMemo 20 that is to flatten the hierarchy in the knowledge tree. Then, as an example, let me go here. I have ideas for AutoHotkey, conventions. And you know what? Let me have those conventions as a flat hierarchy because I don't want to click every single time or whatever. The use case, you want to be flat, right click, tools. We always have regroup and rearrange. That's covered in the SuperMemo course. Now we have flatten, which is the same as rearrange, but on a single folder. So in other words, you will convert all descendants, so children, grandchildren, and so on, to direct children. Do you see? In this case, I didn't want to do that here. It doesn't make much sense, but it's because now I don't have this need at all in my collection, so whatever I decide, it will be dummy. Another example could be, do you see that those are all my key bindings, right? With shift, control, modifiers, and so on. Hey, you know what? I want to have them now in the same folder. I don't want subfolders. Easy. Right-click the parent, tools, flatten, confirm. Hey, what happened? It takes a while. And now I have this flatten. That's good, by the way. That's a collection I'm going to sell or to give for free to people who supported me in the past. And hey, I don't want these folders, I want this flat, and then you just delete the folders. So you will just go here, only get the topics, and you will delete those. And you have this in one level of hierarchy. Keep in mind that you should do this when the overall count of elements is 500 or fewer. Because if I do this, let's do in this case the theory course is about 3,000. It will be a lot of children in one branch, too many, and it will exceed the maximum of the collection, which by convention is 500. So this is especially useful when you have a lot of granular hierarchy you want to get rid of, especially the case that if it's, let's say, the advanced English collection, I only want the items, not the folders, but not for the entire thing, only for this folder. You can do it. But other than that, I don't see much of an advantage. But it's a new feature for SuperMemo 20. Convenience, but not required. See you incrementally.